out. Well, that's what I thought of the films that were released this week. Do let us know what you think. Do write into us. My address is sachin@prudentmedia.in. And I'll be back with you next week with more movie reviews. But coming up next, we have a special on the Avengers.
up.
I can do this all day.
For Marvel's latest film, The Avengers, 6 beloved characters are coming together on the big screen for the first time. Director and screenwriter Joss Whedon was given the superhero task of overseeing the project.
These people don't belong together. These people wouldn't get along. And as soon as that really sort of came into focus, I realized, oh, and then I actually have something to say about these people.
It's a great boon to come to New York finally, and it just lends so much to be in the place that we've been replicating for so long.
It all started in New York. The Avengers, the history of the Marvel Universe, all started in New York.
With its success and its stable of superhero superstars, Marvel believed they could bring new and exciting dimensions to them at theaters around the globe.
We'd had great relationships with our studio partners on the X-Men series, on the Spider-Man series. At a certain point, as we were so heavily involved with the movies, the thought was, can we do it ourselves? And certainly a core team of us thought that we could.
In 2004, we started to realize, well, we have the rights to Iron Man back. But I don't think we realized how much heart and how much humor there was going to be in this franchise until we cast Robert.
Yeah, I can fly.
I just said, wow, man, what a cool deal. What a cool suit, what a great crew, what a blast.
Iron Man would go on to be a smash hit. Wasting no time, Marvel set out to begin shooting their second film, The Incredible Hulk.
We knew that if we could succeed with those 2 films, Iron Man and The Incredible Hulk, that the future was going to be very bright for us at Marvel Studios.
Movie audiences were clearly enjoying Marvel's cinematic universe. They were also clamoring for a sequel to the film that started it all. In the spring of 2008, Marvel announced plans for Iron Man 2.
Iron Man 2 is a little more visceral and a little more kind of soul-bearing.
After Iron Man 2, Marvel looked to the skies for their next feature, Thor.
Whether you're playing a god or a human or whatever, you make it real and relatable. And that was the smart thing about Thor. The backdrop was a film about gods, but it was about human beings.
And finally, in 2010, Marvel Studios' Captain America was in production.
Whether it's building a metal suit, or exposed to gamma rays, or coming from another world called Asgard, the notion of a superpowered human started with Steve Rogers, Captain America.
He's everything that I wish I could be as a man, you know, he's good for the sake of good.
What we're doing here is completely unprecedented. Marvel is taking the characters that they're putting into their movies and bringing them all together in a team franchise movie experience, which really has never been done before.